Speak Up English, the key to success.
Rita, with the cost of living these days, everyone could use a little extra cash. Got any clever ideas for making money on the side?
I've got a few tricks up my sleeve, Natick. Have you ever considered freelance writing or blogging?
Writing, huh? I never thought of it. What's the deal?
You can write articles, blog posts, or even ebooks for websites or clients. It's flexible and you get paid for your words.
Well, I do have a way with words. What else?
You could try tutoring or teaching online. With your knowledge, it's a breeze, Natick.
That's true. Helping others learn is fulfilling, and it can pay well. Rita, I've heard of affiliate marketing. Is it as profitable as they say?
It can be. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral.
That sounds like a win-win. You help people find what they need, and you get a little something in return.
Precisely. It's a business model that works well in the digital age. Natick, here's another idea: pet sitting or dog walking. I do it with my dog, Max.
Max looks like a handful.
He can be, but it's a fun way to spend time with pets and earn extra money.
These ideas are fantastic, Rita. Thanks for the inspiration.
It's always good to have a few tricks up your sleeve for those rainy days, Natick.
You're right, Rita. Plus, it's a way to turn our skills and passions into income. Rita, those ideas from our last conversation got me thinking. How about renting out a spare room on Airbnb? I've got a cozy guest room.
That's a great idea, Natick. You can meet new people and make some cash on the side.
Maybe I'll even whip up a welcome breakfast for my guests.
That would earn you some stellar reviews.
Yoga classes. That could be a moneymaker, too.
Absolutely. You could become a certified yoga instructor and offer classes in the park or online.
Teaching yoga while surrounded by nature sounds amazing.
You know, Natick, you could start a small flower or vegetable garden at home and sell the produce at a local farmer's market.
I love the idea of being a green-thumbed entrepreneur. Fresh veggies and beautiful flowers all around.
It's a way to connect with the community and earn a little extra income, too.
Rita, do you invest in stocks or cryptocurrencies?
I've dabbled in stocks, Natick. It's not a guaranteed moneymaker, but with research and patience, it can be profitable.
The stock market always fascinated me. It's like a puzzle.
A puzzle that can give you high returns or a few sleepless nights.
These ideas, Rita, show that there are so many avenues for making extra money. It's not just about a 9-to-5 job anymore.
That's the beauty of it, Natick. We live in a world where our skills and interests can become a source of income.
And having these conversations with you, Rita, is like discovering new paths to financial freedom. Rita, it's amazing how many possibilities there are for earning extra income. You know, I've heard of people renting out their camera equipment for photography enthusiasts. What do you think?
That's a brilliant idea, Natick. If you have quality camera gear, it can be a smart way to make some extra money, especially for budding photographers.
And I can share my love for photography with others. It's like a win-win situation.
Exactly. Plus, it's a great way to network and meet fellow photographers.
Rita, have you ever thought about turning your hobby into income? I remember you're quite the skilled baker.
You have a good memory, Natick. I've considered it, actually. Baking and selling homemade treats or cakes for special occasions can be profitable.
Your cookies and cakes are delicious. I'm sure they'd be a hit.
Well, if I ever decide to start, you'll be my first taste tester.
You know, Rita, there's something appealing about earning money doing what you love. It doesn't feel like work.
I couldn't agree more, Natick. It's like turning a passion into a paycheck. Look at that art studio, Natick. It reminds me of artists who sell their artwork. It's not just about paintings, even handmade crafts can be a source of income.
Artists truly create beauty with their hands. It's inspiring how they can turn their passion into profit.
It's all about finding that balance between what you love and what can sustain you financially.
And conversations like these, Rita, help us discover new possibilities and shape our future. Rita, this place is so peaceful. I can't help but think of how some people earn extra money through travel blogging. It's like turning their vacations into a career.
You're absolutely right, Natick. Sharing their travel experiences and insights can bring in revenue through sponsorships, ads, and affiliate marketing.
We might need to travel more for research, Rita. You know, for the blog.
It's a tough job, but someone has to do it.
Have you ever considered selling your handmade jewelry, Rita? I've seen some of your beautiful creations.
I've thought about it, Natick. Handmade jewelry can be quite popular, especially online. It's a way to turn creativity into cash.
Crafting jewelry must be a calming hobby too. Turning it into a business sounds fulfilling.
Natick, look at those people over there paddleboarding. Did you know you can make money by teaching others water sports or outdoor activities like this?
That's a brilliant way to combine fitness and fun with earning money. You share your passion and skills with others.
It's all about discovering what you enjoy and figuring out how to make it work for you financially.
Rita, these conversations with you always inspire me. It's like we're unlocking a treasure chest of possibilities.
It's a mutual feeling, Natick. Together, we explore and find new ways to make life more rewarding, both personally and financially.